Hi, I'm Chakavia, and I'm doing this song. It's not doing all of it. It's just a part of the song that everybody, that my pastor, just loves hearing me singing or whatever. I just want to get my input on other people. So here we go. Father, can you hear me? We need your love today. I know that you are listening. You hear me every day. Father, please hear us, and we will be okay. Father, we need you to heal families today. Father, can you hear me? I'm calling on your name. Now Buddha, Muhammad, but it's Jesus we cry aloud. Father, just forgive us. Hear us when we say, you give out our hearts and souls today. Father, you know we mean it. I've never seen so much pain. We have the faith for now. Your victory we will gain. Father, you know we mean it. There's no more heart of stone. We're ready for your power. Now the sin is gone. Father, 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 yeah. Father, can you hear me? We will say, yeah, yeah. Oh, say yes, Jesus. We say yes to your way, yes to your will. Oh, my soul. Oh, I know you hear me, God. I know. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, Lord. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Oh, yes, Lord. Yes. Oh, yes, Jesus. Yes to your way. Yes to your will. Oh, my soul says yes, yes, yeah, yeah.